Building a custom keyboard case is a great way to show off your own personal style and add a bit of custom flair to your keyboard. It's also an easy way to transform your keyboard into something that you can be proud to show off at home or in the office. To start, you'll want to determine the size and shape of your keyboard case. Take measurements and be sure to account for any extra space due to cord length. Next, decide on the design of your case. You can design it yourself or use a pre-made template to get the look you want. Once you have the design, it's time to choose materials. Acrylic, wood, or metal are all good options for a custom keyboard case. After selecting the material, you'll need tools to cut, drill, and assemble the parts. Power tools can help you get the job done quickly and accurately. Once all the pieces are cut, you can start assembling the case. It's important to use the right hardware and adhesives to create a solid and secure build. Now you will need to choose the protective lining for the bottom and top of the keyboard. Foam or felt work well and protect your keyboard from scratches and damage. One of the last steps is to install the cords and connectors. This is an important step as improper wiring could lead to electrical problems. Finally, you can test out your custom keyboard and enjoy the look and feel of your own one-of-a-kind keyboard case. Building a custom keyboard case requires some time, planning, and precision, but the result is well worth the effort. Not only will a custom keyboard show off your own unique style, it will give you peace of mind knowing that your keyboard is protected from wear and tear. With some basic tools, materials, and knowledge, you can create a custom keyboard that is sure to impress. If you're looking for a professional-looking case that will stand the test of time, consider investing in quality materials. More complex and intricate details can be achieved with wood and metal, whereas simple designs can be easily accomplished with acrylic. As you become more comfortable with building your own case, you can start to experiment with different finishes and colors too. No matter what your design and style choices, there is no limit to what you can create with a custom keyboard. To make the process easier, use pre-made templates or drawings to help guide the construction process. Assembly is the most time-consuming part of the process. Make sure to be precise and take your time to ensure that the pieces fit together correctly. Depending on the materials used, you may need to use a saw, drill press, or other tools to ensure accurate cuts. With a few trial runs and tweaks, you will end up with a sturdy and protective keyboard case in no time. Don't forget to also include protective covers and lining to help protect your keyboard from dirt, dust, and liquid. Once you've constructed your own keyboard case, show it off proudly and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Building your own custom keyboard case is an easy way to show off your skills and put your own personal touch on your equipment. Get creative and express your unique style with a custom-made keyboard.